Here's Roger. Here's Becca. Both Roger and Becca are tasked to design a paper airplane that can fly a far distance. They needed to create this in 3 hours. Roger is a perfectionist. He likes to create things as good as it can possibly be, and doesn't like to show his work or have people try out his designs until he feels it is perfect. Becca is similar in that she likes to create things as best as possible. However, she uses rapid iterative cycles for her designs. After the 3 hours, Roger created a pretty cool airplane. He made sure to think about all the things that might go wrong in a test and made the appropriate builds to prevent any complications during a test. Since he spent the whole 3 hours perfecting his airplane, he only had time to test his airplane once at the end. It flew pretty well, but he did identify a few failure points. But he had no more time to actually make any adjustments. Becca, however, made an airplane prototype in the first 15 minutes. It didn't look great, but it was ready to be tested. Her first test didn't go too well, but she was able to identify failure points. For the next 20 minutes, she made improvements to her airplane. She then quickly tested her airplane to identify more failure points. For 20 minutes, she made improvements to fix these failure points. In 3 hours, she was able to test her airplane 7 times. 7 opportunities to learn failure points, and 6 opportunities to improve her design. As a result, she found that her airplane flew farther than Roger's airplane. Both participants had the same amount of time, but Becca was able to learn more and make more improvements to create a better airplane prototype.